In this video, we will try to have a simple discussion about direct and indirect speech acts. So, let's start. First off, what is direct speech act?
An utterance is seen as a direct speech act when there is a direct relationship between the structure and the communicative function of the utterance. Let's have the following examples that show that the form corresponds with the function. First example, a declarative is used to make a statement. We have to practice social distancing. Some parts of Manila are under MECQ starting August 4, 2020. The mayor of Baguio City has once again declared a liquor ban. Second example, an interrogative is used to ask a question. Where's the bathroom? What is the Wi-Fi password? When is the finals exam? And the last example we have, an imperative is used to make a command. Get inside! Stop the car! Wear a face mask!
Based on the examples provided, direct speech acts therefore obviously illustrate the intended meaning the speaker has behind making that utterance. And now we go to indirect speech acts. Searle stated that an indirect speech is one that is performed by means of another. That means there is an indirect relationship between the form and the function of the utterance. Let's have some examples showing that the form does not show any correspondence with the function.
First example, an interrogative is used to make a request. Could you lower the volume? This utterance can simply be answered by a yes or no. However, it indirectly says, the volume is too loud, lower it. Another example, an interrogative is used to make a statement. Can't you see I'm busy? Again, this can be answered by yes or no. However, it indirectly says that the speaker is busy or do not disturb me. And the last example, a declarative is used to make a request or command. The clothes will not hang themselves. The utterance seems to be stating a fact, but it also means that the listener or someone should hang the clothes.
So in indirect speech act, the speaker does not explicitly state the intended meaning behind the utterance. It is the hearer's task to analyze the utterance to understand its meaning.
To sum it all up, an utterance is considered a direct speech act when the intended meaning of the speaker was given direct to the point, and if the structure and function are directly related. The utterance will then be considered an indirect speech when the intended meaning that the speaker wants to convey has to be analyzed by the listener, and the structure and function is not related.
And with that, our discussion about direct and indirect speech act ends here. I hope you guys understood the concepts and the examples. Stay safe, everyone.